With your voices. So if you know this, let me check how your voice is tonight. So let's go.
목소리 조금만 더 올려주세요.
Yes.
Captain! Hongjung! You're the best! You're the best!
So, for the next soundcheck song, I think you all waiting for this stage too. So before main stage, let's check how can you sing loud this song. So if you do not sing along with us this sound check, we will not do at the main stage. Just kidding. Just sing along with us this song too. So, 3, start this song. 어떻게 시작하죠?